Hi, today in front of me OPPO Reno 8C, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's just first open it, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons, we should click on the right upper corner to these three dots and click to edit titles. Just to add more options to our panel, we should just click on each of these green pluses on the right upper corner of each of the icons. And just to remove some of them, which should be the same way, just click to these red minuses. If you want to change the positions of the icons, you should just do it by this way, just by press and hold and drag it. Just to save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.